Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today we have crab legs, shrimp with eggplant in our menu tonight. So hopefully you guys will enjoy my recipe. So first we will cut the eggplant. So now we will soak these eggplants in regular water with some salt. So after we have soaked the eggplants in salt water, now we are just gonna drain the water and wash the eggplants. So after washing the eggplants, there is no water left now. I will be adding ground turmeric powder. I will be adding 1 teaspoon. And then next I will be using ground paprika powder. I will be using half a teaspoon. And next, I will be adding salt, 1 teaspoon. It's just regular salt. And then mix everything with the eggplant so it tastes better when we cook. So now first I will add some oil to the fry pan. Then we will wait until the eggplants get golden brown. Now we're gonna turn the eggplant on the other side so both of the sides get fried. Now my eggplants are ready. They're fried on both sides. So now we will move to the next project. So I got these crab legs. It's called premium Dungeness crab leg, And also it's fully cooked. I got this from Walmart. And now let's check what's inside the packet. So this is what we got inside the packet. They look solid, like solid meat of crab. So after cracking all the bones or shell of the crab, this is what it looks like. And now I will be adding a little bit of soy sauce. It says 2 ounces, but as you can see, I'm not using too much of the soy sauce. And let's just marinate it for a couple minutes. So now we are gonna start the stove. And for this cooking, we will be using a little bit of more or too much oil. So I'm using canola oil. And then I will be putting sliced red onion. And also this is half of a big red onion. So now we will sprinkle a little bit of salt. So the onion gets golden brown faster. And then stir for a little bit and wait for the onions to turn golden brown. So since the onions are halfway done, so now I will be adding raw shrimp. And then wait for the shrimp to turn orange. So as you can see, both of the sides of all the shrimps have turned orange. So now we will add our cooked crab. And then cook it for a little bit more. So now first we will add 1 teaspoonful of ground garlic powder. And then 1 teaspoonful of ginger powder. then I will be adding ground turmeric powder. I will be adding 1 teaspoonful. Next, I will be adding paprika powder, half a teaspoon. And then next, I will be adding half a teaspoon of ajwain seed powder. You can find this at any Indian grocery store. And then next, I will be adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Also, you can find this at any Indian store. I mean, any Indian retail store. And the last, I will be adding half a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. And then stir. And then don't forget to add water. So I will be adding 15 ml of just regular water. So now, as you can see, the shrimp and crab, they're fully cooked. So now we will be adding our fried eggplant. We're adding green chili at the end of the cooking, and also, as you can see, I have added the chopped cilantro. So now they're ready to serve. Alright, so now I have decorated my shrimp and crab and eggplant kosha or curry like this. I will be enjoying this with some rice. You can enjoy it however you like. You can enjoy it with salad or basmati rice, so whichever you like. And also, if you guys have liked my recipe for tonight, please do not forget to share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.